So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Aarti Drug Share. So previously, when we have discussed about Aarti Drugs, we have discussed about the complete details of the buyback. So what is the price, how much is the retail quota, and what is the record date. So if we see the record date of this particular buyback, we know that it is April 1st, 2021, and it is almost approaching the date, and we can see the size is almost 60 crore. So all these details we have discussed in previous videos, and also I have uploaded this particular detail in Telegram as well. So now we are seeing little correction in the stock. So if you see the current market price of Aarti Drugs, it is near 720 rupees level. So many people are having doubt what will be the next level, so whether we can average or whether we can do fresh entry. So all these things today we'll try to discuss. So video will be very interesting, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group, as well as you can message me in Instagram. Okay, so first let us start our discussion with the volume analysis. So because this is very essential thing, whether the deliveries are being added or it is the traded quantity which is making the stock correct. So we'll see that details. So if you can see on 25th March 2021, so you can see the deliveries are slightly less. So if you compare with the weekly average and monthly average, you can see compared to all the previous sessions, little deliveries are slightly decreasing, and you can see traded quantity is also not that much present. Only little traded quantity is present and little deliverable quantity are being present. So if you see market condition, firstly, so market is also in little volatile situation. So stocks which are trying to go up, ultimately they are going up. Again, the profit booking basically which we see in stocks which are in little overbought region, so that thing is happening and many stocks are retracing. So clearly I told, fundamental wise there is nothing problem with Aarti Drugs. Only thing is that little patience is required. So what is the level and all, so we'll try to discuss. So from volume analysis, clearly we can see that deliveries which we are expecting, so that are not achieved. So that is one of the reason why we have not seen much movement in Aarti Drugs. So technical wise, it is present at a very good support. So will it retrace from that? We will see. So now let's see what indicators are suggesting, what money flow index is suggesting, and what RSI is telling. So we'll try to discuss that. Okay, so if we see the indicators wise, basically we discussed two indicators. So one is RSI as well as money flow index. So money flow index, you can see it is near 79.2, and you can see RSI is near 56.7. So it is in mid range, but you can see money flow index is in little overbought region. So that's why the momentum that we expected, so that was not generated. Okay, so if we returns wise, if we try to see the stock, you can see 1 week it has given almost 5% movement. So 1 month you can see it has given 12.85%. 3 months it was flat, only you can see 1.67%. 6 months you can see minus 2.79. 1 year you can see it has 5 times. It has done your investment 5 times. That is 1 lakh is converted into 5 lakhs. And you can see 10 years, you can see 4,513, 9% returns have been given. So multi-bagger returns. And 5 years also you can see 505% returns have been given. So fundamental wise, potential wise, already we have discussed. This is not the first time we are discussing about Aarti Drugs. So if you want the complete fundamentals analysis also, you can search my previous videos. So in that clearly we have discussed each and everything regarding Aarti Drugs. So now let's switch over to technical charts and we'll see what are the next possible levels. Okay, so let me show you the financials also of the December 20 quarter. So you can see all of them are in green. So even revenue has increased 11.98%. Net income, you can see 144.92% increment is there. Diluted EPS has increased, and you can see net profit margin has also increased almost 118.57%. So little accumulation is seen. So what is that? Now let's discuss. Okay, so we're back onto the 1 day chart of Aarti Drugs. So currently you can see it is showing positive movement with almost 0.55%, and currently you can see it is near 719 rupees. So you can see it is taking a very good support near the pivot point. So what is the pivot level? So that is 720 rupees level where the stock is taking support. So earlier when it has given breakout from 741 rupees level, so clearly I told you the resistance where it is facing is near 777. Okay, so this was the level where it was facing the resistance and it was trying to retrace. So that's why I told if it breaks that 777, so then only the stock may go 800 plus. So that is what we have discussed. So current scenario, if you see, the stock is respecting the 720 rupees level. Okay, and immediate next support also you can see we have the 50-day exponential moving average, which is near 703. So I may tell you that definitely you can add this particular stock, nothing negative is present, only it's operator game that many retailers suffer through. So if you're exiting and booking your loss, so that is your fault. So never exit, because market is in little volatile condition, so that's why stocks also show little correction, but you need to take the opportunity and you need to average at the right time. So levels wise, I'm clearly discussing two supports. So first support is near 720, after that 703. So after that we may see some sharp recovery in the stock. So this is what I can tell you, just you need to catch the bottom. So stocks basically, whenever huge increment is there, especially during buyback, so when this update has come, so that time when the rally has started, so ultimately big players try to trap retailers. So that is the basic thing. So when they trap the retailers, so then only they will generate profit. So it is not that even they also keep pumping the stock, so ultimately retailers also will be generating. So that is what they don't want. So they want to trap the retailers. So that's why they'll do little short sell. So when it comes to levels, again it will start retracing. So many people exit here, but stock starts retracing. Okay, so next immediate resistance wise 750. So that is the next immediate resistance. 741 also is there. So if it crosses that and 750 is the next resistance, so definitely it may go up. So buyback, we know basically few recent buybacks when we have seen, whether it may be NIT. So after that we know that little decrement was there in that particular stock also, but again slow recovery is there. So that is another scenario. So depends on promoter to promoter, depends on business to business. So this particular business has potential, and also little promoter focus is also there, only little trigger is required, so that may be achieved, only little patience is required. So try to watch the supports that you have discussed today, and resistance wise also two levels we have discussed. So money flow index, you can see that is in overbought region, so that's why today little flat movement is present. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me at which price you have taken, and you can also clarify your doubts in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So there also you can ask your queries and clarify your doubts. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.